Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. While doing outdoor gardening, we love doing indoor gardening as well. But some of us don't know how to take care of the indoor plants. Even my mom lost a few of the indoor plants because of the lack of knowledge and the lack of care. Okay, today I will share a video about how to take care of one indoor plant. It is attractive, clumping palms that look a lot like bamboo. Can you guess what plant am I talking about? Yes, the plant is known as Areca palm. These palms have smooth, sometimes golden trunks that are reminiscent of bamboo clumps. Their fronds are narrow and full, almost like bamboo leaves. This plant is brought from the nursery. So, if you use some simple tricks while potting, it will help your plant a lot. Fill the lower part of the pot with some garden soil. As you can see, my mom is cutting some aloe vera leaves. Can you guess what my mom is about to do? Areca palm plants need a time-release fertilizer. So as the time-release fertilizer, my mom uses the aloe vera while potting. This aloe vera will take about 90 days to compost, and as it is an organic fertilizer, it will be a slow release fertilizer for your plant. Now again take some soil and cover up the aloe vera pieces. This aloe vera doesn't only act as a fertilizer, but it also helps your plant protect from transplant stress. Now, before planting your plant, you have to see if any leaf of the plant has any disease. So, if your plant has any diseased, infected or damaged leaf, then you must remove it. Areca palm house plants need repotting every 2 to 3 years. The plant likes a tight container, and crowded roots help limit the size of the plant. Keep in mind, while planting Areca palm plant, there should be good drainage. Soggy soil can easily cause root rot on a palm. In terms of regular care, plan to water your Areca palm whenever the soil starts to dry out. Areca plant like bright filtered sunlight, but they can also tolerate full sun. These plants do best with bright light exposure from a south or west facing window. After planting, my mom is giving another layer of soil which has 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. If you have been following us for very long, you all know that we do everything homemade and organic. So if you are interested in making homemade fertilizer, fungicide, insecticide, pesticide, etc. with zero cost, you can follow our channel. Areca palms don't have serious issues with pests or diseases. But sometimes it may be affected with mites, aphids or mealybugs. We have already uploaded a solution of this problem, so you can watch the videos in our channel. After the final potting of your plants, remember to water your plants and then keep it in a shaded area. These plants are in a staircase right now. You can also keep it in your rooms and balconies. It will enhance the beauty of your house. Look, Chintu and Chinky also love Areca palm plant. If you would love to watch more videos about Chinky and Chintu, you can go to our other channel. We will give the channel link in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.